Hi there! Today we're going to learn how to do a basic search in the library catalog. The catalog is a really useful tool because it lists all of the books, movies, and other materials that the library owns. After we find the book we're looking for, we'll learn how to read a catalog record to see which library branch the book is in and if it's available to be checked out. For books that aren't available, we'll learn how to place a hold so that we're in line to get the book. Let's get started. The easiest way to search the catalog is from the library homepage. The website URL for the library is www.ypsilibrary.org. Since the catalog is online and part of the library website, you can actually search the catalog from home if you have a computer and internet access. Or you can come into the library and use our computers. And parents, you can follow these same steps to find and request materials for yourselves, too. The catalog works the same way for adult materials as it does for youth materials. Once you're on the library homepage, look for this green box on the right-hand side. Since the catalog tab is already selected, I can start searching. We're going to search for the book Where the Wild Things Are. You don't have to worry about capitalization, but try to spell all of the words correctly so that the catalog knows what you're looking for. Since we're searching by title, we are going to choose title keyword from the drop-down box. Then click the Go button. This will take us to our search results page. Now it can be a little bit tricky to figure out which book is actually the one you're looking for, but here are a couple hints. We can see that some of the results have the exact title we're looking for, but there are some differences. For instance, the second result has the word video recording as part of the title link, while this first one doesn't. We can also see that there are lots of locations listed for the first search result. That's another indication that that's probably the book we're looking for. And in fact, this search result is the one we're looking for. Click on the title link to open up the full catalog record. Every item in the catalog has a record that looks like this. The top part of the record tells us lots of information about the book. We can see the title again, and the author and illustrator. We can see the copyright information or when the book was first published. We can see what subject this book covers, so we know it has some fantasy elements and that it talks about fictitious monsters. There's even a summary, which is a short description of what the book is about. So if you're not sure if a book is for you, you can read the summary and then decide. The second part of the catalog record has the location and holding information. This is a really popular book, so it's no surprise that we have multiple copies and that we have several copies at each branch. We can see that information in the location column. In the call number column, we can see where to find this book in the library. It's going to be in the picture book section under SEN for Sendak, which is the author's last name. The status column tells us if the book is checked out or if it's available to borrow. Statuses that say on shelf means that those copies of the book are available at the library location in the first column, and you could go into that library branch and get the book today. Some of the statuses say checked out or have other descriptions. These will also have a due date listed for when the book is supposed to come back in. If all the copies of the book you want are checked out, you can place a hold request. You do that by clicking on the Request Title button on the right-hand side of the record. You might need help from a parent or adult at this point because you need to enter your library card number and your PIN. After you enter those numbers, click the Login button. On this page, you will need to check the library location for where you'd like to pick the book up. And then make sure to click the Request button. If you don't click the Request button, your hold request will not go through. You will know your hold request is complete when you see the message, "Your request has been successfully placed" at the top of the blue box. Now you have two options. If you are done searching, you can click the Log Out and Return button, but if you would like to keep searching for more books, click Return to Searching. This will take you back to the record of the book you just placed a hold for. To find other books, click the yellow basic link at the top of the catalog. Now this search page looks a lot different from where we started at the library homepage in that green box, but you can search the same way. just choose Title keyword from the drop-down box, and then type in the title of the next book you'd like to find. If you still have questions about doing a basic search in the catalog or about placing a hold, stop by the reference desk and talk to a librarian. And check out the next video in this series, Advanced Search in the Catalog, where we'll learn how to do a subject search to find lots of books on a specific topic. That can be really handy if you need to do research for a school project. Thanks for watching!